Okay, Mr. Wolf here. I'm going to show you how to do this Chrome Canvas assignment that the Deerfield Police Department had asked us to do. It's a really cool opportunity to try and help them out. You'll see on the screen here that you can do a lot of different things. I'll show you some tools and how to export it and get it onto Seesaw to be done with it. You saw there you could change the opacity and the colors and the size of your brush. You've got the different brushes here on the side. You can use your stylus to do all of this, and then the eraser to erase. There's also those back arrows at the top center to undo anything that you just did. So I'll go ahead and erase everything here to get back to the start. I also want to show you in the upper right here, you could add layers. So it's like putting one layer on top of the other. So you can do one thing to one layer and it won't affect the other layer. You can choose background colors, custom colors, add as many layers as you want, and then delete them if you don't need them anymore. All right. So I'll go ahead and get started here. I'm just going to do a really quick example because, again, it's up to your creativity and your innovation to think of a graphic design that the police department might want to use in their social media advertising to get the word out about the different campaigns that were listed in the email that I gave you. So we'll go ahead and use blue here, change the opacity a little bit. The higher it is, the easier it is to see the size of your stylus. So go ahead and write the campaign here, stop the texts, and then stop the Rex. Obviously, I'm hoping that you guys come up with more creativity here. The purpose of this video is to just show you how it's done, not what to do for your design. All right, so stop the text. Maybe I'll do something like keep your eyes on the road. I don't want to be looking down at your phone, so I'll draw some eyes here. Keep your eyes on the road. And then maybe a no phone sign over here real quick. And then let's say maybe I want to add another design to it. We'll go to use some red here and maybe draw a little car, change the opacity and the size, again, of my stylus pen. So I draw a wheel, quick there. Oh, let's make the opacity so we can see the words. Now, this is the reason that you might want to use layers. Let's say you didn't like this and you have to erase. If you're working all on one layer, then it's going to erase everything that's on that layer. So if you add a layer and then make your drawing on top of that, so let's go back and draw the car here again. And let's say I didn't like how this is turning out and I wanted to erase a little bit of it. It only erases what's on that layer and not the layer that you worked on already that you were happy with. Once you're done, you can save image. And then what I'm going to want you to do is just post it into your Seesaw classroom. So you're going to go to Seesaw, you're going to log in there and just add it as the image. It should be located in, just add assignment and then located in your downloads folder. I'll show you that here as well. And then once it's in there, we'll take a look at them all once everybody has completed them over the next few weeks. And that's it. Hopefully we get some good ones to the police department and to Officer Maldonado. And maybe we'll see some of our works out there. All right, thanks, guys. Be safe. Have fun. Be creative. Mr. Wolf out.